A lovely good morning to you all. Kids, what can you see here? Correct, these are numbers from 1 to 10. But बच्चों, ये numbers sequence में है? No, they are not in sequence. So let's arrange them in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. बच्चों आप सोच रहे होंगे मैम आज नंबर्स क्यों करवा रहे हैं? Because kids, today we are going to learn a new rhyme and that is related to the numbers. So the name of our rhyme is Want to Buckle My Shoe. So let's learn a rhyme.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lead them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Children, let us revise all the rhymes that we have learned till now from our rhymes and songbook. First was chubby chicks, then two little dicky birds, then rain, then toothbrush. After that, 10 little fingers, then oranges and lemon. After that, soap bubbles. Then, early to bed. After that, the elephant. After that, good food. Then, a barber. After that, our national flag. And then the last rhyme that we have learned was the aeroplane. And today we are going to learn a new rhyme that is 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
So kids, now let's learn a new rhyme. First Reena ma'am will say and then you all have to repeat with Kalpana ma'am. So everyone stand up, fit together, lock your fingers, get ready. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2,
1, 2,
buckle my shoe.
buckle my shoe.
3, 4,
3, 4,
shut the door.
shut the door.
5, 6,
5, 6,
pick up the stick.
pick up the sticks.
7, 8,
7, 8,
lay them straight.
lay them straight.
9, 10,
9, 10,
a big fat hen.
a big fat hen.
So kids, now let's repeat the whole rhyme along with action. So again, stand up, feet together, lock your fingers, get ready.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
So kids, you all have to learn this rhyme along with the action. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.